Hey, back with another video, and today's video is going to be about anti-aging foaming hand soap. So this is going to be really quick and really easy. This is a DIY. Okay, so we're going to use castle soap for this. We also have geranium essential oil, and then we have rose hip oil which was a double infusion. Okay, so let's get into this video. So we are going to use 1/3 cup of Castile soap. Just gonna move this stuff out the way because now you all know what it is. And we are also going to use a 1/2 teaspoon of the geranium oil, geranium essential oil. And right here we've got our rosehip oil, and we are using 1 teaspoon. And like I said, the rosehip oil, you can do this yourself. It's just a double infusion of rosehip. I did the cold press method, which cured for about 6 weeks to 2 months. And you're also going to need a foaming container for the foaming hand soap. And we are also going to add in retinol body oil. So I'm going to add a couple of drops of this in there. 6 drops. And then we're going to add in our vitamin E oil. And then we are going to add in some vitamin C. We're going to add about 2 drops. 2. And we all know that all of the ingredients is anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, and just great for aging hands. Okay, so we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of distilled water. Get that out the way. Okay. Okay. All right. And then we're just going to give it a mix. All right. Then we're going to add it to our container. And this is a quick DIY foaming hand soap that is perfect for your hands. And I'm just going to take off one of the gloves and give it a whirl. I guess I'll take them both off. And look at that. Foaming hand soap. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.